So good evening, everybody. It's just stay-at-home grandma, and I have a tent. It is have it upside down, a Roraima outdoor, and it's let's open it up because I'm not reading this correctly. But anyway, how you doing? I'm doing fine. It's raining. I guess the before, the aftermath of the storm. Who knows what's going on? So much going on in the world right now. Who knows what's happening? Oh, this is the box. You can see it. It's not heavy, so it's a tent. And it's one of those backpack tents. And I'm not carrying out my back, but oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, I can carry it on my back. Well, what do you know about that? Comes in this little zipper case right here. I'm not going to completely take this out because I'm going to give this as a gift to somebody, but I do want you to at least see it. Now this can be a cat tent or it can be a regular tent. But I think that my son-in-law, he would like this. That's a net tent. So, having said that, I'm going to put this back in the zipper and put this away for him because he doesn't go far, but he likes to take the girls and pretend. And they have a tent. They got a tent last year, so this ought to be nice for them. I'm liking this a lot. So again, this is it's on the Roraima. It doesn't have anything else in the. Let me just take a look and see if there's anything else in the box. And I'll actually spell the name for you. It is the Roraima, Roraima, and it's outdoors. So that's really cute. So I hope you like it. If you do, like, share, and subscribe. This is in there too. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Stay warm and stay safe.